In front of me is POCO X6 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access display. Then scroll all the way down and click on font. Following that, select the best one for you in order to apply it. And hit free over here. Then select apply and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to the default one, access the same settings. But this time click on my account at the bottom right corner. Then click on fonts, click on Roboto, and tap on apply. Then select reboot in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!